Hello friends, today we will learn about data analysis. Let me read out the definition. Data analysis is the process of collecting, transforming, cleaning and modeling data with the goal of discovering the required information. Now we will discuss each terms one by one. That is collecting, transforming, cleaning and modeling. Now first is collecting. Now what does collecting means? Collecting means gathering information, and while gathering information, one important point should be considered, that is data should be accurate so that our decisions are valid. Now next is transforming. Transforming means processing. That means what? Organizing the data. For example, if you are using a spreadsheet, data might be placed in rows and columns in a table. That is organizing data. Now next is cleaning. Cleaning means what? Cleaning means the data that is collected and processed should not contain duplicate data, or should not contain errors, or should not be incomplete. Next is data modeling or modeling of data. Now what is that? Various statistical models are used here, such as correlation, regression analysis, that we will learn afterwards, so that it can be communicated in a better way. This is data modeling. So I have already told you all the terms in this definition, that is collecting, transforming, cleaning and data modeling. Now the final result obtained are reported to the user in a format as required by the user. For this, what is done? Tables are created or charts are created so that the results are communicated clearly and the correct decisions can be made. Hope you got a good idea about data analysis. Please like and subscribe my channel. Very soon I will be uploading videos about types of data analysis. Thank you.